As a new YouTuber or a new content creator, creating your YouTube video is one thing entirely. Knowing how to upload it in a right way so that the video will gain its full potential is another thing entirely. And if you make a mistake when uploading your video, you have just damaged the video you created. That's why you see that those videos will not be giving you the kind of view or like that you would have loved to get. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to upload your YouTube video in the right way, and then we'll be giving you the mighty or great result you want to see on your YouTube video. And if this is the video that you love to watch, please do not forget to watch, subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you'll be notified. So the first thing I will be telling you, or I will be teaching you how to upload in the right way, is to change your file name. After filming your video, you need to change the name to a searchable name so that it will not be only on YouTube that the name will appear. Even though when they search it on Google, your name, if your YouTube channel is ranked very well, your title that you use on that video will appear. Welcome back to this side of the screen. All you need to do is to go to your library. That is your library where your content is, and this method work with Android and iPhone, but I'm using my iPhone here, so I'll be doing it on my iPhone, but it is way more easier using your Android. So what you need to do, let me see if I have, okay, let me say I'm using this file, this my content, for example, for the purpose of this tutorial. So all I need to do is to click on this content. As a new YouTuber or a new content, I will come to this place. You see this place, this is arrow of share. If you want to share your content or your file or your video, so you click on it. After clicking on it, you come to next, you click on next, and it will take me to a section like I want to share this file or this content. So you will easily come down, you click on, you come down, you scroll down on your interface, you come to this place. This place says save to file. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will display a project, because it's a project. This project with date number and full HD, that is this place. You click on it, just click on it, then you click delete, then you will now impute the title of this video. Yes, you save it with the title of the video that you want to use on your YouTube. So in this video, let me say the title of this video is how to upload right. I'm just using this one as an example. How to upload right. So after that, all I need to do is to come to this place and save it. So after saving it, this video is saved to my file. So the next thing I will do is that I will go to my YouTube. So here on my YouTube dashboard, what you need to do is to just come to your upload, create a video, you click on it, you click on the upload, so you select file. So when you are selecting your file, this is select file, you click on the select file. Make sure you not select for your photo library, just select from choose a file. So after clicking it, you see this particular video. If I click this video now, it will upload to my YouTube, my YouTube. So what I will do is that, let me say, go back to my YouTube and show you. Let me go back to my YouTube and show you some of my videos that I've already uploaded on my YouTube. As you can see, this is my video, the video that I've uploaded on YouTube. If you come to here, you see why being a small content creator is so hard. So if you come down here, this place, you will see, let me minimize it. You will see why being a small content creator is so hard. So it depends on you. If you are saving your video, you can summarize the video and save it with your title, if the title is not that long. So it depends on what you want to do, but make sure that when you are saving the video, use a title or a keyword that is related to the video that you are posting and use it to save your title. But one thing about it is that you can still come here after uploading, you can still come here and edit the video title. In as much as you edit the video title, go to, yes, it will work. You can still go to your file and change the name. So it depends on you. Let me show you other video as an example for it. Okay, let me show you some of my videos and explain better. So let me use this one. I click on it. If I click on the video, so it will take me what to the video details. As you can see, how to add keyword to your YouTube channel. Then if you come down to this place, because if you're doing anything, you check the file name, is how to add keyword to your YouTube channel. So it depends on the name that you use in saving your file. That is what will come out. It's not compulsory that you have to be exact word, but there must be the same keyword that you are using when you are saving your file, so that when you upload, YouTube algorithm will pick up that file name. So when people are searching it, you know, one thing about this thing is that once you save your file, it will go to net, and most of the time Google is what people use most. So whenever people are searching for Google, if your YouTube channel is well ranked, it will pop up or surface your video as a suggestion. So these are the way you can upload your video in the right way and help you to get more view. When getting view, you get more subscriber. So that is it from this side of the screen. It is very, very easy. Just save the name, upload the video, make sure that the video title and the file name on the on your YouTube studio are the same or similar. So the next thing to do is to change your video category. Yes, after uploading your YouTube video, you need to change the video category so that YouTube will know which audience to direct your video to. If you do not change the category, YouTube will just assume that there is no audience, you don't have any category for this, they will just be pushing it to any audience they like, and it will not help your YouTube. So this will not help your YouTube channel. So let me show you how you can change your video category here on YouTube. So to select your video category is very, very easy. All you need to do is to let's use our YouTube Studio app. If you do not have it, you can easily go to if you are using an iPhone device, you can go to your Apple Store and download it. If you are using an Android, you can go to your Play Store and download it. Let's say after finish downloading your YouTube Studio app, you can still use the web version of it. So all I need to do is to click on the app. So wait for it to load. Then turn my video. Wait for it to load. Then I will turn it to landscape mode 4 because it's a YouTube content and for you to understand it very well. So the next thing I need to do is to come to content. This is the content, and let me use this particular video as an example. I click on the video. So after clicking on the video, as you can see, it is all well optimized. Optimized. It is well optimized. So as you can see, I will just click on this edit button. Click on your edit button. After clicking on your edit button, you just have to scroll down. So you will see the public, the audience, the location, and the add playlist. You will come to this last section, this more option that they wrote tag, short, remix, and category. Click on the category. So you come down here, this place that you see category auto, you click on it. That will be after you have uploaded your video, and you must put your video on unlisted. So after that, you see this car and vehicle. If you are into car and vehicle niche, you see comedy, you see education, entertainment, film and animation, game. So it depends on the one you are. If you are into comedy, you choose comedy. So me, this is the one I'm using, auto and style. So I'll pick this. If you are into music, you pick music. If you are into peoples and blog, which is what people use the most, pet and animal, science and technology, sports, there is a lot of it. Then travel and event, it depends on the one you are. So like me now, I will just click on this auto because this is the niche that I am. So if I am into entertainment, I'll click entertainment. So I will just click on auto. So after clicking it, you can see that it's auto on the category. So after that, then you go back, you go back, you go back on it, then and click on save. Once you click on save, it will go there automatically. So this video is already saved on it. So that is why it is like that. Very simple and straightforward. So this is how you can get more view on your video. So after doing all the things I asked you to do on this video, so it will help your channel to come alive. So your channel need to come alive for you to have more view. And once you start having view, then it will draw the right audience to you to your channel. And before you know, you start getting subscriber through the audience you have gathered. So what I'm saying is that after doing all this thing I asked you to do, you will see the way your video or your channel will come alive, and you'll be getting the desired view that you want. So if you follow all these steps or the direction I gave you on this video, when your channel come alive, just know that this is what we do on this channel, helping you to get more view, get more subscriber, and grow your YouTube channel with the experience that we have gathered here. And if you want to see more of tips that we are using to grow our channel, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so whenever I post, you will be notified. Thank you for watching.